Welcome to this video on the golden rules for pro traders. As a pro trader, you need to have a set of rules that guide your trading decisions and help you to stay focused and disciplined. In this video, we'll share some of the golden rules that every pro trader follows to maximize their chances of success. 1. Protect your capital. The first rule of trading is to protect your capital. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose, and always use stop-loss orders to limit your losses. 2. Have a trading plan. A trading plan is essential to help you stay focused and avoid emotional decisions. Your plan should outline your goals, strategies, and risk management rules. 3. Use proper risk management. Risk management is crucial to successful trading. Use proper position sizing, diversify your portfolio, and never put all your eggs in one basket. 4. Stay disciplined. Discipline is key to pro trading. Stick to your plan, avoid emotional decisions, and don't let greed or fear control your trading. 5. Keep learning. The markets are constantly evolving, and pro traders know that they need to keep learning to stay ahead. Keep up to date with market trends, learn new strategies, and analyze your trades to improve your skills. Conclusion. As a pro trader, following these golden rules will help you to maximize your chances of success. Protect your capital, have a trading plan, use proper risk management, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.